Forgive me for this first example because you guys know that I would probably add the 1 plus 4 before multiplying it by 3. But I'm just going to use this case to illustrate. When we distribute, basically we're distributing the number in front of the parentheses. This is going to be the 3, so it's going to be 3 times everything. You could think of this as 3 times 1 plus 3 times 4. Let me do a little schematic here. It's the plus is going to go here. I'm just keeping that as is. It's the 3 I'm multiplying by everything. 3 times the 1 and the 3 times the 4. Now that can be simplified to 3 plus 12, which equals 15. Now let's do it with an example with algebra, I say algebra, with a variable, because that's what you're going to see. So if I were to do this, I'm going to keep the plus sign in the middle, just like it is originally. Now it's going to be 3 times x, because I'm going to distribute 3 times x, and then 3 times the 4. So this is going to work out to be 3x plus 12, and that's all I can do to simplify it. So that one's done. Let's do it a little more complicated version. Now I'm going to keep the plus sign and the minus sign as is. So this plus isn't going to change. This minus isn't going to change. I'm going to distribute the 2 to everything. So that's going to be 2 times 3. So that's the 2 times the 3. 2 times the a, and then 2 times the 4. Okay, so it's going to look like that. Now, if I actually multiply everything, that's going to be 6 plus 2a minus 8. Again, after I distribute, I want to collect like terms. In the other cases, I did collect like terms, like in this case, the 3 plus 12 equals 15. The other example, the 3 times quantity x plus 4, there weren't like terms, so that one's already done. In this last example, the 6 plus 2a minus 8, I can collect like terms. So that would be, well, first I take the variable term. That's going to be 2a. There's no other variable term, so that one's done. I'm going to box the numbers. That's 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is negative 2 or minus 2. And then that one's done, the 2a minus 2. This is method A. I'll also show you method B in another video.